Right, demand and supply. What is demand? What is demand? What is demand? So demand is the amount of product that a customer wants to buy at a particular time at a certain price. Okay? What is supply? Supply is the amount of products that are offered by the sellers at a certain price. So there's this thing. So I just made it here so that we can see or okay, law of supply or is under the demand. So it doesn't have to be like this, but I just made it so that you can know. Okay, law of demand is under demand, law of supply is under supply, but it doesn't have to be like this, right? The law of demand. The law of demand. The higher the price, the lower the demand. Okay? Or the lower the price, the higher the demand. The law of supply. Number 2. The higher the price, the higher the supply. Or the lower the price, the lower the supply.